Hi, I'm a scientist in DigiCell, a European research project transforming the future of battery manufacturing. Europe is still in the early stages of mass battery production and is currently unable to fully meet the demands of automotive manufacturers and other large-scale industries. That's where DigiCell steps in. We are addressing the inefficiencies of traditional battery production and quality assessment, which are resource-intensive, costly, and limit battery performance and lifespan. Our approach centers on cutting-edge technologies like machine learning, AI, and advanced testing and modeling to transform how battery cells and packs are produced. Let's see what our researchers are working on. A key innovation in DigiCell is the use of a digital twin, a virtual replica of battery production lines that simulates processes in real time. This way, we can optimize battery behavior, analyze the properties of enhanced materials, and directly improve production and quality assessment. Through AI-driven simulations, we can precisely predict battery behavior, explore enhanced materials, and fine-tune production. We are running tests on pilot lines where every detail, from material properties to cell design, is carefully monitored and controlled. The result? More durable and higher-performing batteries. To make sure these innovations are adopted across the industry, we are also working on standardization protocols for quality control and recycling, so that our batteries are not only higher performing, but also aligned with sustainable, large-scale production. DigiCell's holistic approach is setting the stage for greener gigafactories, reducing the CO2 footprint and saving energy and costs. Long-lasting batteries using sustainable materials also boost European competitiveness and contribute to the global shift towards a greener future. With DigiCell, we are driving innovation in battery technology for a cleaner tomorrow.